Hello traders, in this video we'll be discussing the King Scalper EA for MT4 and we'll be looking at what the developer shares on the MQL5 Marketplace page, the available settings and the historical testing information provided. But before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right away on the marketplace page, we can see that King Scalper is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Li Dang Nguyen Hoang Vu. The listing currently offers rental options including 3-month and 6-month plans. 3 months is going for $60 and 6 months is going for $99. And the version shown here is version 7.3, updated on May 12th, 2019. Now, as I go through the description, the developer explains that the EA uses the ZigZag indicator to identify sensitive market price areas. Based on the highest and lowest price points detected by the indicator, the EA automatically creates trend lines that update as market structure changes. According to the description, when price reaches these dynamically updated lines, the EA evaluates the market situation and decides whether to buy or sell. Another feature highlighted here is trading time management. The EA allows users to define specific hours during which trading is permitted. This can be useful for traders who want activity restricted to certain market sessions rather than allowing trades throughout the entire day. Moving further into the settings section, the developer provides recommended configurations for GBP USD, Euro USD, and XAU USD on the H1 time frame. We can also see detailed risk management parameters, including fixed lot sizing, automatic lot calculation, risk control, stop loss, take profit, break even functionality, and trailing stop settings. All right, the ability to adjust these parameters gives traders flexibility to tailor risk exposure based on account size and personal preferences. The developer also states that the EA does not use martingale, hedging, or other risky strategy elements. In addition, a minimum deposit of $100 is recommended when using a minimum lot size of 0.01. Now let us transition into the historical testing section. When reviewing historical backtest results, it is important to focus on how the system behaved over the tested period rather than viewing the results as a prediction of future performance. Longer testing periods generally provide a broader picture of how an EA responds to different market environments. So I would always encourage running additional testing yourself before making any decisions. First of all, the strategy tester report shown here tells us that the EA made $1,207 from $1,000 deposit, and that was between 1st January 2018 to 31st December 2018. Total trades 142, and out of that 142, 117 were profitable. So that means the win rate is 82.39%. And then here we have this was for GBP USD 1 hour. Okay, these settings here, and then these are the settings for this one. All right, and then here we have total net profit over $2,000, and the win rate was 82.39%. But let's head over to our strategy tester. We can see that there are other results. This is for Euro USD, risk 5%. Okay, let's head over to our strategy tester so that we can see how this EA performed over the past 3 months in 2026. All right, I'm testing the King Scalper, on XAU USD H1 time frame from March 18th to June 18th. As at the time of recording this video is June 18th. Okay, so let's just quickly look at the report. Deposit $10,000, no trade taken. I'm going to go to the journal. All right, and then here I'm seeing volume limit at so date exceeded. Okay, let me turn on the visuals, and let's just quickly check the export properties. I'm just going to increase this deposit, and I don't think there will be anything for me to modify here. I'm not sure if there is any other setting that I ought to have modified, because based on the information that we saw on the marketplace page, I didn't exactly see a particular recommendation that has to do with that volume limit. But let's just go see how the EA looks like in action, at least while we have looked at the strategy on, or rather the description on the marketplace page. Let's come see how the EA works in action. Okay, looking at the strategy description alongside the historical chart activity, we'll be expecting the logic to revolve around identifying key swing highs and swing lows through the zigzag indicator, and then using those points to construct dynamic trend lines. Since the developer states that trading decisions occur when price interacts with these levels, the historical analysis can be viewed through the lens of price reacting to support, resistance, and trend line structures generated by the EA. As always, historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, lot sizing, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. That is why it's important to perform your own testing and optimization using your preferred broker environment. Here on this dashboard, we can see the Forex server, the settings for the GBP USD timeframe H1, account name, account number, leverage, orders, price, spread, the time settings, and all of that, lots, orders, balance, equity, margin, fee margin, margin usage, profit, and current drawdown. Okay, so it's nice to see those details displayed by the side as the EA does its job. Overall, the King Scalper EA for MT4 presents itself as a trend line based automated trading system that combines zigzag market structure analysis, configurable trading hours, and multiple risk management tools. Now, before considering live deployment, I'll recommend thoroughly testing the EA on the recommended symbols and time frame as well, so that you can better understand how it performs under different market conditions and determine whether it fits your own trading objectives or not. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.